we're gonna ask you guys your names. So what's your name?
Natalie. I'm Carolyn. Nicole.
Alright, do you guys know what this is? No, this is Supermalt. Have you ever tried it before? Any kind of malt? Would you like to try it? Alright, we're gonna go. By the way, this is non-alcoholic, so now tell me how you feel about it. Do you like it? Describe it in one word. Sweet. So Supermalt sweet. That's step one.
Would you buy it again?
Yeah, would you buy it?
It kind of tastes like Florida. You know that vitamin D medicine that people have, yeah. But it's like it's fizzy.
Wait, I've got to taste it again. Yeah.
It's good. It's very fruity.
Would you like some more?
Yeah, sure.
You don't like it?
Wait, why not?
Why don't you like it?
Right? It's disgusting. Thank you.
Why?
It just tastes terrible. It's disgusting. Like, drink water. Water is good. Don't drink those things. Don't drink sodas. Don't drink like none of those unhealthy things.
It's bad.
I just think all of them taste bad. I don't like Malta. So you guys are from Ireland?
Yeah. I'm not. I'm from the north of England. Yeah. Near Leeds. Yeah. We're trying it.
Carnival.
Yeah. Oh my god, mad. It's crazy. I don't think I realised how bad it, like, crazy it was.
It's quite crowded.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
So you gotta tell us how you like, what the taste is like. What do you think about the taste?
It's different. It is like malty. Like, like hops, like Guinness kind of. It's a bit like Guinness kind of, yeah. Looks a bit like Guinness.
Yeah.
A bit sweeter.
Would you buy it again?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I think it's like,
It's nice because it's non-alcoholic, yeah.
I wouldn't drink it normally. Yeah.
It's just different, yeah.
It's different. I think it's nice, but I don't know how much I could drink of it.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
I just wouldn't want to keep the bottle, you know. Do you wanna?
No, I'm fine. Do you keep it?
Oh, you came with this much, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You gotta tell us how you feel about it. Was it taste like? Where are you from, by the way? I'm not gonna do that. Where are you from?
I'm from Portugal. Yeah. Oh, it feels good.
Sweet, right?
It's sweet. Try this. It's quite good. Is this beer or?
It's not alcoholic, but it's from the same thing as malt.
All right. What's the fermentation? It's like the same process as beer.
So.
It feels like breakfast, though. I know, because we in Portugal we eat cereals in the morning, so it feels like that. Because it's probably cereal based, no? Film everybody, man.
It's very sweet. It's nice.
Yeah, it's quite good actually.
Keep the bottle.
I don't want to keep the bottle because it doesn't have alcohol.
Oh, it doesn't have an alcohol?
It doesn't have alcohol.
How's it taste?
It's quite good. It's really good actually.
It's actually nice. It's like that's it.
Have you ever tried Supermalt before? Have you ever tried Supermalt before?
No.
Nah.
Would you like to try it?
Go on then. Okay.
Yeah, go on. Sick. Cheers.
Tell us what you think. Where are you guys from, by the way?
Thank you. Just outside London.
And I'm Yorkshire.
Lancashire.
Okay, cool. Tell us exactly what you think.
I like that. It's nice. Yeah.
Oh, I feel like my grandma has given me this before.
It reminds me of childhood. In a good way, yeah.
Is this Jamaican at all? No. My grandma's defo given me this
It's
before.
like porridge.
It's like orange.
But like a good beer porridge thing.